Hey guys, Handyman Phil here with another TV mount video. We're going to be looking at another Echogear solution today. Large, low profile TV mount. First things first, let's get it on the wall. Take note, two different colored bags, right? One is clear, one is blue. This is done on purpose. And know that again, this blue one does represent the left bracket. The clear is right. This is designed to slide back, and I know it's a little bit loud, but don't worry about that. It's not going to fall off. But again, just go ahead and slide it left, slide it right, get to exactly where you want it to be for that optimal viewing position. Last thing you want to do is, again, just go ahead and hide these pull cords. Again, these are obviously meant for if you ever need to take the TV off the wall. And the way in which you can go ahead and do that is just simply grab onto it and just simply pull one side or the other. It'll essentially just make the loop bigger. And you can just kind of keep going up. Some of the things that you can think about doing is hanging it on something that's behind the TV if possible. The advantage of a fixed position solution. First and foremost, it's got a little bit higher weight rating. It's 150 pound weight rating versus the Echogear tilt solution, which again was only at 125. Shouldn't be a big deal for most of you, but again, if you are concerned about that, certainly something to keep in mind. The other thing to think about is, again, the fixed position is just going to be generic, right? I mean, it's going to be static. Like literally that's all that it does. You can't do any tilt, you can't do swivel. If you want something that's going to be very low profile or close to the wall and you don't need to move it much, the fixed solution may be a great fit for you.